Their prayer to God. Once a father and son were traveling by sea, and in middle of their journey, they lost their way. Their boat took them to an island where there was no one. After reaching that island, their boat broke down. To look for help, they both decided to stay on opposite side of island. Before leaving, father said to son, "We should pray to God for help." After saying this, they both went on opposite side and started praying to God. Son said to God, "O God, let trees and plants grow on this island, so that I can satisfy my hunger." God heard his prayer, and immediately plants and tree grew there. It was miracle. After satisfying his hunger, he sat and prayed to God. "I need a house to live, please give me house." Soon, a house appeared. Now, son realized that all his prayers were being heard. He thought, why not ask God for a way out from here? So he prayed to God, "Please, give me boat so that I can leave this island." Soon, a new boat appeared. Son boarded on boat and was about to leave island. Just then a voice came from sky and said, "Son, are you going alone? Will you not take your father along?" Son replied, "He must have also prayer, but you didn't respond it to them. Perhaps his mind is not so pure, so let him suffer consequences. Right?" Voice said, "Do you know what your father prayed for?" Son replied, "No." Voice said, "Your father prayed for only one thing. He prayed, 'O God, whatever my son asks from you, please fulfill it.' Whatever you are getting is the result of his prayers."